Good morning. Today I am going to show you how I make my homemade hemp milk. If you're wondering how much water you need to use in the nutter, there's a water measure line in the nutter. So I use 3 tablespoons of hemp seed, a half a teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt, and a dash of vanilla extract to give it that little extra flavor. I hear my coffee percolating in the background. I love percolated coffee. What method do you use to make your coffee? Type it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and you can purchase the Nutter machine, that's NUTR, on Instagram. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification button for more healthy dishes.